Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, How It Works. In today's video, I will show you the fastest way to set up a PIM solution in your organization. It will help you to reduce standing admin access, provide just-in-time access, require multi-factor authentication before granting elevated roles, and also we will work on approval workflow for extra security. It's all about securely managing who gets the privilege access, when and for how long. Let's dive in. To set up a PIM solution, you need to come on the intra.microsoft.com. Under this, on this page, you will see this identity governance and the privileged identity management. Currently, my role is not set up, so I will set up a one PIM solution to my ID. So for this, you need to go under this manage Microsoft Intra ID roles and then select roles. Then I will create one, for example, Exchange administrator. Okay, first I will add the assignments. Add assignment to Aryan. Select next, eligible, and assign. Once this is assigned, then we need to select the role, role settings, edit. Yeah, so right now it's a 2 hours is already set up, but you can go up to 24 hours or the minimum is 30 minutes. You can just go with the 4 hours. Need Azure MFA multi-factor authentication need to be completed before role gets activated, and also I need a justification for the activation. You can choose the third option wherever you need that role need to be activated from your manager or whoever is the authorized person. Then you choose this one and select the approver. Okay, I'll just select update, and there is in the assignments you will see this is already we configured, and the notification is this is chosen, so you can just update and role will get updated. Okay, now when I go back here in the privileged identity management, and when I click on the my roles, you will see this I am eligible to elevate my role to Exchange administrator, and there is an active button. So when I click this active, you will see I have to validate that this request is going to validate if I am already approved my multi-factor authentication thing, then it won't ask. Otherwise you need to verify your multi-factor authentication, whatever multi-factor authentication you already set up, phone or the Microsoft app. That 4 hours is the maximum I can go, or I can choose whatever the time, but I can go maximum up to 4 hours activate that rule. Okay, I need a justification is mandatory, so need whatever the testing. Okay, testing, activate. Now you will see this role is getting activated. It takes less than a minute to activate, and then this page will get refreshed, and yeah, then your role is activated and you can access Exchange admin portal. So whatever is approved or whatever comes under the Exchange administrator role, that all that things will get activated for next 4 hours. So you can perform your task, and if you want to cancel, you can do that. You can cancel your role or your administrator things before that also. So it is activated assignment. You will see global administrator, because I'm already as a global administrator, but it's a permanent. So it's permanent means this is a directly assigned role to my ID, and this global administrator does not need any kind of a PIM, because this is a demo and I need a global administrator access to set up all these things. Okay, and but you see this rule is whichever the rule is activated from the PIM solution, you will see this is there, and you can deactivate this rule by deactivate process. So for this all this you need Azure Active Directory P2 license for approver and the requester. Okay, so both party need a Active Directory Entra ID P2 license.